My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. I know it's been a really long time since I've made a tutorial or a video for this channel. I'm really sorry. Been really busy. I moved into my childhood home and this is it. This is the bedroom. This used to be my mom's bedroom. I grew up in this house and we've been renovating. I'm still not done. I'm actually waiting for furniture to be delivered. It's supposed to be delivered on Wednesday, so I can't wait for that. But that's what's been keeping me really busy and away from making any glam videos. I have made a couple of crochet videos for my Made with Love by Glama channel, but even that has been rather sparse. So I promise I'm gonna start trying to make more videos. What else? Oh, and I wanted to let y'all know, I just today, that's why I'm putting makeup on today. I don't always wear makeup. But just today, I started a 3-day military diet. I saw another YouTuber doing it, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to give it a try. So I actually looked it up online, and it's actually, she called it a 3-day diet, but it's actually called 3-day military diet. You're supposed to lose up to 10 pounds on this diet. So you do it for 3 days, and then the next 4 days you eat normal. You don't overeat, but you just eat more normal. You don't follow a scheduled, you don't follow a certain diet on those 4 days. And then if you want to lose 10 more pounds or up to 10 more pounds, you do the 3-day thing again. And then you do 4 days of normal eating, and then you can do it up to 4 times in a month. So supposedly you're supposed to lose up to 40 pounds. I myself only want to lose about 15-20 pounds. So I made a vlog this morning. I had no makeup on when I made the vlog of me showing you my very first meal of the first day of the 3 days. And so I'm going to put all that together, but I just kind of wanted to let you know, or let me see if I can pull up my before picture. See, look at, I have a belly right there. So I'm hoping, so I'm going to post that picture when I make the 3-day military diet video to show y'all if I did lose weight or not. So that's my before picture, and I'm hoping at the end of the third day, on the 4th morning, that when I take my picture that there's some kind of improvement. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know what I'm kind of doing, and this is why I'm putting makeup on today. And I thought, oh, let me go ahead and just film it and share it with everyone so I can let everyone know what I'm doing, and so I can upload something so y'all don't think that I fell off of the face of the earth. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I got this everyday neutral look. Alright, so just stay tuned. So we're starting off with Maybelline's Fit Me foundation for normal to dry skin in the color 210 Sandy Beige. And I'm just applying that all over my face with my Beauty Blender. And now with my Beauty Blender, I'm going to use a pouncing motion to blend that all in seamlessly. Next, I'm using Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Ivory. And I'm just applying that all over the high points of my face and under the cheekbones so that it makes my cheekbones kind of pop. And now with this small stippling brush, I'm going to stipple all that in to blend it in seamlessly. Now I'll be using L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Translucent Powder in the number 916. And I'm going to be applying it on all the places where I applied the concealer. And I apply it messy, and I put a lot on there. I let it sit for a little bit, and then I will be dusting that off. Okay, now with my big fluffy brush, I'm going to dust that all off. Now I'm going to be using Pixie Bronzer in the color Summertime. And I'll be applying it with this concealer brush. I'm going to also contour my nose just to make it look a little thinner. Now I'm going to blend that all in with a larger stippling brush. Now I'm going to use a fan brush and my Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to use that second highlighter, but I forgot to put blusher on first. I usually use a blush and then I do the highlighting. Now I'm just stippling that all in to blend it in. Now comes the blush. I'm using Hikari blush in the color Tango. And now I'm going to use my shimmer palette and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this kind of a peachy color all over my eyelid, all the way up to my eyebrow. Now I'm going back to the Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to use a flat brush and pick up a brown color in the crease of my eyes, just to make them pop a little bit. And now with my fluffy brush again, I'm gonna blend that all in as seamlessly as I can. Now I'm taking my Carly Bible palette again, and I'm using that second eyeshadow right there with a small little brush, and I'm just highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. For eyeliner, I'm using CoverGirl's Liquiline Blast in the color Dark Brown. I like this pencil because on the other end it has a smudger that I like to use for a more diffused, smoky look. Now I'm going to go in and make a little bit of a wing on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to use the smudger end and smudge that in a tiny bit, not too much. Now I'm going to use Maybelline's Lash Sensational Black Mascara. This is a new mascara for me and I'm really liking it. This is only my second time using it and I love the brush. On the top part, it's the part that you apply it with, and on the bottom curved part, it's got like a little comb to separate your lashes. I love it. For the lips, I'm using the brand Ofra in the color Spicy. So I'm not only lining my lips, but I'm also filling my lips in with that lip liner. And now I'm going to go in with NYX Matte Lipstick in the color Spirit, and I'm putting that in the center of my bottom lip and on my top lip. Now I'm using CoverGirl's Smoochie's Sizzle Gloss. I love this lip look. Okay, that's it. I'm finished. So that's it. That is today's look. I know that it's a lot of steps and a lot of makeup for this kind of sort of neutral everyday look, but hey, this is what I do when I do put my makeup on. There are other ways that I put makeup on when it's just a really quick, like 5-minute, hey, I'm just gonna run to the store type look. But this is what I do most of the time. This is my everyday makeup when I wear makeup. But this is when I'm not going for a certain color scheme or anything. I just feel like this kind of goes with everything. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you visit my channel again. I look forward to it. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone else that you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.